Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexa and this is Life of Lex. So today we're going to be doing my current favorites because I wanted to share with you guys because I have a lot of new things that I've been absolutely loving lately, and I got so excited that I just wanted to share it all with you so you can go out and enjoy them too. So to start, we're going to be doing beauty. The first thing is this face wash that is like been a godsend. I used to use this all the time and I forgot about it for a while until I saw it in my dad's house and my stepsisters used it, and I was like, oh my god, I used to love that. So I bought it, and this is now my second tube that I've gone through. My brother also uses it. He loves it so much. I love this because it's fragrance free, it's soap free, it's cruelty free, like it is, but it's such an amazing, gentle, simple gel cleanser for your face. I don't use anything crazy or harsh because like I break out. The next thing that I do in the morning after I wash my face with that is I use this Sephora Vitamin C and E Super Ultra Glow Serum. I love this because it really moisturizes my skin by also giving it some essential vitamins. And in the morning, I notice my face is way more dry than at night, so I like to put on in the morning for the whole day. And as you can see, I'm almost finished with it. I need to buy a new one, but I love this a lot and I use it every morning. And then for at night, if I have a lot of acne or I feel a spot coming on, I will use this as a holy grail for me. It's the Mario Badescu Skincare Drying Lotion that I use all the time, and honestly, most of the time in the morning, it dries out your pimples. Like, they're gone either that morning or the next, like within a few days. And I mean, right now it's mixed up, but usually the pink stuff is at the bottom, and you just dip in a Q-tip all the way to the bottom, don't shake it, and you apply it to your pimples and let it dry and go to sleep, and then wash it off in the morning. So yeah. The next beauty product is this Milk mascara. It's called the Milk Kush Mascara, and I am wearing it right now actually. It just gives a really like nice natural look for eyelashes. It's not too overwhelming. It's not like super voluptuous and lengthening and everything. It just gives it a nice little touch, and the Kush is actually supposed to help your eyelashes grow. Alright, the next thing is hair products. The first hair product I have that I love so much is the Sun Bum Blonde Hair Lightener, and I just spray this in my hair after I shower, and it's supposed to lighten your hair. My sister uses it a lot and I know it works and I love it so much. It has Costa Rican pineapple, honey, and lemon in it. It's also cruelty free, paraben free, silicone free, all the free things you need in this world. The next two things, I rave about these literally all the time. I have been using these for as long as I can remember, probably like 2+ years now, especially this one. So the first thing actually I'm going to tell you about this one is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. This, I get it from Sephora. I love this because it defrizzes your hair. So after the shower, I will just put like a quarter size amount and just like run it through my hair, not through but like over my hair, and scrunch it up. And then after that, I'll be using my best favorite product in the world, the Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curl Defining Hair Cream. It smells so good. It has grapeseed and jasmine extract, and I literally get complimented on my hair after I use this all the time. Everyone's like, oh my god, you smell so good. And it also helps my curls. Like, I have it in today. I literally showered this morning. I mean, it makes my hair pretty curly and I really love it. The next hair, I don't even think I'd call it product. The next hair accessory I have way too many of. It's scrunchies. I have no idea how many I have. I really want to count them, but I love scrunchies so much. Like, I have been using scrunchies for I don't even know how long now. Like, because I like them because they don't make an indent in my hair just like the regular hair ties do, and they're just so much more comfortable. They're so much better for your hair. They don't break your hair, or like they don't break in your hair, and they're just the best things ever. You can buy them for like $12, like a pack of like 5 at CVS. The next thing is kind of beauty, kind of accessories again, just like the hair ties, and it's just my trusty blue light glasses. Listen, these were like, I actually don't remember how much on Amazon, but they were cheap. I know a lot of people use the like Felix Gray ones or things like that, and they're so expensive. These ones work just fine. They're super cute, super nice, and they are blue light blocking glasses, and I love them. I wear them to edit, I wear them to go on my computer, sometimes my phone I forget, but at night I'll use them to go on my phone. Get you a pair of these. These were literally on Amazon. Just search up UV glasses. They had pink, clear, and I think blue, and I got the pink ones. The next thing is also an accessory. I actually just bought this at Target, and I'm obsessed with it. It's this super cute little backpack, and it has like a little button, and then it has this really adorable little like knob on it that you can close. I literally fit everything in here. I have Advil, I usually put my blood sugar stuff in here. There's a cute little like zippered pocket that actually goes pretty deep. That's where the Advil is, and then there's 2 side pockets, and I just put my glasses for driving in one side because they don't fall out. I mean, like, I don't hold it upside down, but like it holds it. So yeah, it's just a super, I literally say that so much. It's just a really nice, affordable. It was 20 bucks. So the next thing is kind of a given if you know me, but I had to include it in this video because honestly I used to hate on this, on like it's clothing. I used to hate on wearing it, but now half of my wardrobe is oversized t-shirt or a t-shirt dress. I just grabbed one of my oversized t-shirts. Like, this is from a concert. Obviously you don't have to buy a concert t-shirt. It's huge. I know Urban has a lot of oversized t-shirts. Forever 21 has a lot of oversized graphic tees. They're so good and comfortable to wear over a bathing suit when you're going to the beach or the pool. Even to just like go out over the summer. They're baggy, they're comfortable. I put on a pair of spandex underneath, so it's even comfier, you know, and I go out and wear like a t-shirt dress, and it's... The next few things are for a desk. I just got a new desk from IKEA, and it's huge now, so I have so much more room compared to the one I had before. And so I was in Target and bought a few things, but I also already had a few things. So these are just what I'm loving right now for my desk. So the first thing, sticky notes, and more. This is a sticky like notepad. I don't know why I didn't think to use these sooner for organizing things in a planner, on a calendar, or just for notes on the desk, because they are the best things I've ever started using. So I already had this big notepad. As you can see, it's like 2 of these little ones. I already had this big one that I actually use all the time now, but then while I was in Target I bought these. It was, I don't even know, these were not expensive. Pack of 6 mini ones, because I've been using them for my calendar, things that I know could change. I write on a sticky note, you'll see in a minute. I write on a sticky note and then stick it on that day, because things change and I don't want my whole calendar to be like this whole mess, which it is right now. For next month, definitely going to be using these a lot more because I just bought them, but these are literally amazing for organization. Okay, so the next thing I got is this desk calendar that I believe is also from Target. I've actually been using it for a while. I got it for school to use. And please ignore this messy month, but this desk calendar is just so cute and so nice to have on my desk instead of having like a whole planner, which is good for school. I love using planners for school, but this is to basically put down appointments, reminders. I've been putting down videos to post on here that I actually had to cross off and rearrange, but that's not gonna talk about that. Yeah, I think it's a great way to stay organized and make sure that you have everything you need written down and it's right in front of you. So every time you're on your desk, if you just you know, have to write anything down, glance at your calendar. You don't have to flip through to the month on the planner. And it's just right there. The next thing that I actually showed in a recent vlog, but have to show it again because I literally am obsessed with this. It's a week, like, little to-do list for the week. So on my calendar I wrote down appointments, videos, vacations, things like that, and on here I write down everything that I have to do for the week. So it starts with Monday and ends with Sunday. Like, I love this. It matches my nails. Having things to do daily, it's really nice to have it all planned out for the week so that you can see it and figure out what you're doing and time your plan your time accordingly. So the next thing that I actually have all of this stuff in because I love it. I got it at Target. It was $30, but definitely worth it. Is this little desk organizer. Look at how cute this is. It's a bamboo desk organizer. The best part about it is there's 2 charging ports in the back, 2 USB ports in the back here. However, it's not plugged in, so it's not gonna work. If you put your phone here, it's a wireless charger. So when it's plugged into the back, like to the wall, it charges your phone. Literally, I got this like 5 days ago and I've used it every single day, every single night. So I'm just sitting there and then I can see my phone, so like I can see who's calling me without a wire, who's texting me. It's all right in front of me because I have this to the right of my desk, and I'll put in a clip of my organized desk right now. So yeah, it's just like so good to have it. The rest of the items are kind of random, so I'm gonna start with the tangible items I have and then move on to the things that I don't actually have in my hand. So the first thing, you're probably like, what the heck is that? It's my essential oil diffuser. I use this every single night and every single day. Like, I put lavender essential oil in here to sleep. It turns off once the water runs out, so I don't have to worry about it going off all night. It's really easy to use. It lights up too, which is really cute. I love that. And yeah, like, if you don't have an essential oil diffuser, get it, because essential oils are so good. The next thing, which I have more than just 2 of, but I found a pack of 6 of these in Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was like, why didn't I think of buying these before? They're silicone straws. So instead of the metal, because I love the idea of metal straws, reusable, but I hate the taste of metal in my mouth. I hate it so much. So if you're like me and you don't like metal straws, silicone straws. The next random thing is food. I eat this every single night, basically. Like, I wish I was joking. I eat this every single night, and it's good because it helps with digestion, especially before you go to bed. It's popcorn. I love popcorn. I get the simple one, so like there's Stop and Shop brands that are natural. There's this one that's simply salted. I get the ones that have whole grain corn, obviously corn, popcorn, palm oil, and salt. So I don't like the butter ones because dairy kind of upsets my stomach, so I try to avoid the butter ones. So I get the oil and salt ones. And so the next 5 things I don't physically have with me, but I'll put a picture up right here. The next thing I've been loving is country music. Here's the playlist I listen to, and I love country. I mean, I've always liked country music, but I've been listening to this every single day, this playlist. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's so, I just like think country music is such a feel-good vibe. Like, I mean, there's some sad songs, don't get me wrong, but like most of it's just like, oh, they're talking about being on a beach, drinking, chilling. So yeah, I've been loving country music a lot. These next 2 things are shows. So first one is Dead to Me. It's a Netflix original. If you haven't seen it, I literally just binged. So I binged watched the first season last year when it came out. was waiting for season 2 that finally came out this summer. Binge watched both seasons because I forgot what happened for the most part. Oh my god, guys, please, please, I'm just telling you, go watch it. You gotta watch the first 2 episodes, maybe 3 if you're hard to reel in. The next one, which I know a lot of people have been watching, so I probably don't have to tell you, but is Avatar: The Last Airbender. My brother and I used to watch this together growing up, and he was rewatching it, and I was like, I don't watch shows, but like while I'm painting or like hanging out, I can throw it on in the background, and oh my god, I forgot how good it was. Like, thank you, Netflix. So the last thing is gonna probably surprise many people. My current favorite thing to do at night, besides painting and watching TV, is playing Warzone. So I play with a bunch of my friends, my guy friends from school, and I love it. I love it. I'm not good. Not even close to being good, but it's so much fun. I mean, I used to play PUBG on my phone. Aussie and I used to play together all the time, and this is basically a much more intense, harder PUBG, but it's so much fun. And let me know if you guys want me to do any videos on that. I'll do that in Sims. Just give this a thumbs up if you want me to do any Warzone videos, because it's really fun and I really enjoy playing. I play all the time. So that's a long enough video, I think. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you want me to do another channel or do some Warzone / Sims videos, comment down below. Tell your friends, family, subscribe. Click that little subscribe button, please. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.